NASA made a terrifying new discovery on Mars with the Perseverance rover. Will we finally be able to find the evidence of ancient microbial life? Or something more scary? Landing on the surface of Mars is difficult and unpleasant. The Perseverance rover still made its way. Ingenuity Chopper, a small robotic helicopter working alongside the rover, revealed exciting images and discoveries on the surface of Mars. Millions of images of the surface of Mars have been taken, which might reveal the formation of the planet and clues of ancient microbial life that scientists have been interested in for decades. Ingenuity Chopper made it to the skies of Mars on the 19th of April 2021 and made history. This was the first time humanity controlled a flight on a different planet. The Ingenuity Chopper is a blessing with its 13-megapixel color camera, black and white navigation camera, and its stereoscopic image capabilities. It can reveal the long hidden secrets of our bizarre neighborhood planet. Initially, the Perseverance rover was about to crash into the surface of Mars after 290 million miles of travel and a 7-month-long trip. When the spacecraft carrying the rover entered the surface of Mars, it had to perform a series of careful movements in just 7 minutes in order to land safely. The rover was covered by a heat shield that slowed it down, with an enormous parachute deployed on top of it. After some time, the back shell and the parachute detached, allowing the descent stage to provide rocket-powered deceleration, finally landing the rover. The task was overwhelmingly difficult and risky. However, we made it! And the result was satisfying, as the mission accumulated 50 gigabytes of data over the course of the previous year. The Perseverance is exploring the delta region of Jezero Crater, which is believed to be a hotspot for ancient microbial life. To greatly understand the planet, another mission is set to launch which will acquire the rock samples collected by the rover and bring them back to Earth. Scientists have been waiting for Martian soil to reach our planet in order for them to study it in laboratories, thus revealing a great amount of information about the planet and its history. The first rock drilled by the Perseverance rover was unique compared to the other rocks found on the planet. Previously, the attempts to collect the soil failed. However, soon the rover finally drilled, extracted, and stored a sample of Martian rock that is destined to reach Earth. The rover also found geological evidence implying that the crater was once an ancient lake fed by a 120-mile river. The main goal to inquire about the Jezero was to find fossils of ancient microbial life that once thrived in the ancient lake. A sample of rocks has been collected that might contain evidence of life. The race to know Mars is long, with other participants like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter revealing that water existed on Mars for longer than expected, and the Curiosity rover, which revealed the history of the planet going through a series of climate change of being drier and wetter before completely drying up. Organic compounds have also been found on the Jezero. However, it's going to take time until we finally discover legitimate evidence of the existence of ancient life on the planet. Until then, you can wait for NASA's The Sample Return mission and watch this video. It will blow your mind. Click here.